Good morning, children. We'll continue with the lesson. So you remember that in the previous class already you learned that how the tiger was put into the cage. That is, the cub was taken to Lucknow and put into a cage in the zoo, isn't it? And then after 6 months, what happened? The grandfather is visiting the zoo just to see the Timothy there. Timothy is the name of the tiger, which was gifted by the grandfather to the zoo at Lucknow. So what happened? This grandfather went there, and when he went there, he was so happy that he saw Timothy, and Timothy is also very happy to see the grandfather. And what happened? Grandfather put his hands into the cage through the railings, and he was patting this tiger, and tiger was also very happily, it was enjoying all that pat, isn't it? So what happened? Meantime, there was a leopard in the next cage, the neighboring cage, and that was actually frightening this tiger. And whenever that leopard was making the sound, it was snarling at tiger. What tiger was doing? Tiger used to go and sit in one corner. And that time when the grandfather used to scold us, that means he used to make that sound of shoe sound to leopard. Leopard also used to go back. Again, it used to confront. So when leopard used to go back, tiger used to come and play with grandfather. And again, when leopard was making that sound, what happened? This tiger was going and sitting in the corner. All that you have understood. So finally what happened? This grandfather, when he was talking to the tiger, all these people were very much surprised to see a man talking to the tiger and going and touching the tiger and all that, So people were very much surprised, and there was a big crowd to see that. Meantime, there was one person, that is the keeper. Keeper means the caretaker of the animals. He came out and he asked the grandfather, what was he doing there? And grandfather said, grandfather thought that was the caretaker who was there 6 months ago when the grandfather had gifted the tiger to the zoo. Then he asked whether he knew it, whether that caretaker or keeper knew grandfather. Then that keeper said, no, I was not here from so long time. So again I have come back to job. Then when all these things were going on, he thought, so this tiger has to be shifted from that cage to different cage because the leopard was scaring him, isn't it? So he went in search of superintendent, and superintendent was not available. So again he spoke to one more keeper who was there when 6 months ago when this grandfather had come to zoo. So he was telling that, why don't you shift this tiger from this cage to different cage? So I had stopped there. We'll continue with that now. I know, said grandfather testily. I realize he is no longer mine, but you might at least take a suggestion or two from me. I remember your tiger very well, said the keeper. He died 2 months ago. Died? Exclaimed grandfather. Yes, sir, of pneumonia. This tiger was trapped in the hills only last month and is very dangerous. Grandfather could think of nothing to say. The tiger was still licking his arm with increased relishness. Grandfather took what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hand from the cage. With his face near the tiger's, he mumbled, "Good night, Timothy," and giving the keeper a scornful look, walked briskly out of the zoo. So that was written by the author Ruskin Bond. So what is happening here? When this conversation was going on between the keeper and the grandfather, or what was this tiger doing? Tiger was licking the hands of the grandfather. So when he said, see, I know, said grandfather testily. Because keeper was looking at him, the keeper was thinking that it will just bite whom? The grandfather. But so he was very much scared. Actually, the keeper was very much scared because this tiger used to become violent with people. But what grandfather said, yes, I know it very well. I realize, he said, grandfather said, I know this tiger is not mine now because already I have given to the zoo. It is not at all mine. But still, you have to just take care of all these things. See, but you might at least take a suggestion or two from me. I remember your tiger very well, said the keeper. So what happened? He said, okay, I know very well. At present it is not my tiger. I already gifted it to you. So, but whatever it is, you have to take some suggestion. No? When you are keeping that leopard and tiger together, tiger is very much scared. So, why do you keep like that? You have to keep it in some other cage. That is my suggestion. You wanted to say. Meantime, what happened? The keeper said, "Sir, the tiger is not yours. That tiger has already died. This is a new tiger which was found last month," he said. Who? The keeper said to the grandfather. Keeper is saying that he died 2 months ago. The tiger what he had gifted to the zoo is already dead. 2 months ago it has died. Died? Exclaimed grandfather. Grandfather knows very well that is Timothy only. So he said died. He was very surprisingly he asked. "Yes, sir, of pneumonia." So he said, "Yes, sir, it has died. That means it had pneumonia. So because of pneumonia, what happened? The tiger which you had gifted is already dead. This tiger was trapped in the hills only last month." He is saying that tiger has already died. This is a new tiger which was trapped when? Just 1 month ago. Last month means 1 month ago it was trapped. And he is very dangerous. So this tiger is very dangerous. Please don't go near the tiger. Grandfather could think of nothing to say. Grandfather, oh, what is this? He understood that the keeper also is not able to recognize what it is. So he understood what is the real fact there. So he said, he just thought, grandfather could think of nothing to say. The tiger was still licking his arm with increased relishness. So the tiger was going on licking this grandfather's arm. So it was enjoying that licking. No, the tiger was actually enjoying. Grandfather took what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hand from the cage. So what happened? Slowly he started removing his hand from the cage. With his face near the tiger's, he mumbled. What happened? He understood it is the same tiger. Otherwise, see, definitely when the tiger sees a stranger, that to putting the hands inside, will they keep silence? Definitely will bite, isn't it? But nothing has been done. So now grandfather was very sure it is Timothy only. So it slowly he said, what did the grandfather say? "Good night, Timothy," he said. Grandfather told to the tiger, "Good night, Timothy," and giving the keeper a scornful look, walked briskly out of the zoo. So what happened? He wished the tiger good night and just looked at the keeper, and grandfather walked away. Fast. Briskly means fast he walked away. Did you understand? That's the end of the lesson. I'll read once again. I know, said grandfather testily. "I realize he is no longer mine, but you might at least take a suggestion or two from me. I remember your tiger very well," said the keeper. "He died 2 months ago." "Died?" exclaimed grandfather. "Yes, sir, of pneumonia. This tiger was trapped in the hills only last month and is very dangerous." Grandfather could think of nothing to say. The tiger was still licking his arm with increased relishness. Grandfather took what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hand from the cage. With his face near the tiger's, he mumbled, "Good night, Timothy," and giving the keeper a scornful look, walked briskly out of the zoo. So let me stop it here, children. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.